Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 must-have cleaning gadgets that'll totally transform your home. You can find all these gadgets on Amazon, links in the description below. So, let's get started. This little guy is a game changer. It navigates around your home, picking up dust and debris so you don't have to. Just set it and forget it. Perfect for those busy days. Say goodbye to tangled cords. This vacuum is lightweight, powerful, and perfect for quick cleanups. It's especially handy for those hard-to-reach spots. This device uses the power of steam to sanitize and clean your floors. No harsh chemicals needed. It's ideal for homes with kids and pets. This gadget is a step up from the basic robot vacuum. It can clean different surfaces from carpets to tiles to hardwood floors. Talk about multitasking. Pet owners, this one's for you. It automatically cleans up after your cat, reducing odors and saving you time. Your furry friend deserves it. So there you have it. 5 must-have cleaning gadgets to make your life easier. Don't forget, all these gadgets are available on Amazon. Links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Catch you in the next video.